What's up, guys? Tanner Trades TA back with another FTMO challenge update. As you guys can see, we're down a little less than 1% on this month. 2 losses for the week, but it's going to be a great video because it's just as important watching someone lose and learning from their mistakes than just watching someone win and post winning setups. I know it's cliche to say, but there is more to learn from losses than wins, guys. So let's get right into the video. The last video I briefly went over the idea behind the trade. So we have let's say we have Asian session here, and then we have London session break, Asian session to the downside. All we're looking for is a retracement, perhaps New York session, to retrace into the 618 and then continue breaking structure to the downside. And what that looks like on the charts here, we have our first loss here on the week, euro. As you guys could see, Tokyo session opened up. London session broke the lows of Tokyo session, and I was just looking for price to then go tap that 618 and continue bearish. What we could have done to turn this trade from a loser into a winner is just go with the previous day structure, the previous day high. We were getting a little aggressive, just looking for continuation, but price decided to retrace into the previous day highs, which is always a stronger setup. So as you guys can see here, we could have dragged the fib from that previous day high to now this daily low here, and price retraced up into this. And I didn't take this right away. I was looking for a confirmation, and by the time we got our confirmation, unfortunately, price did not retrace back into that, did not retrace into the fib here. So we just missed the trade, unfortunately. But as you can see, price action was extremely choppy all week, and it would have taken about all week to get this TP, but that's better than taking 2 losses, or better than taking a loss. So again, guys, I would always recommend trading into the previous day structure, previous day extremely bearish, and getting that retracement into that previous day candle instead of going with a more aggressive lower time frame retracement on your current daily candle. The next trade on Aussie USD is almost the same thing. We had nice breaks of structure to the upside, nice expansion. We have this previous day low here with clean expansion to the upside. So I just used this high, ended up being a huge wick on the daily candles. And I was just looking for a price to retrace into that previous day structure and then continue bullish momentum. What I should have done though is realize that on the higher time frames, we do have a break of structure here, and we do have a lower low and higher high. So it's just a matter of looking at the higher time frames. Again, both trades were pretty much just looking for continuation, but we ended up getting the bigger retracement on the week. This low is still valid as of now, so we actually have not started downtrending yet. We'll see if next week we break this low, but what I should have done is entered off this retracement and this break of structure. So again, guys, that's the week. I hope you appreciate the transparency. I hope you learn from these losses, learn from my mistakes, so you then don't go make them yourself. And I'm sure you still will. And I know a lot of you guys are like, why are you trading a challenge so conservatively? FTMO rewards consistency. And if I blew an account, I would have to wait 4 months before I was eligible for the elite program, where I could then go to trade bigger capital. So again, guys, it's not a sprint for me. This is a marathon, and I'm going to trade it exactly how I trade a personal account. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's update. Peace out.